Hi guys, welcome to this setup video for the SignCast S300 virtual sign. The three primary components of the S300 are the lens tube, the LED light engine, and the pattern holder. 4 handles on the body of the SignCast control the shutters. These can be used to dim or occlude the virtual sign. In most cases, they should all be pulled out into the fully open position. Carefully remove the pattern holder to access the image plate itself. You can then carefully install the image plate inside. It can then be locked in place using the adjacent shutter handle. The fine focused adjustment knob on the back of the unit comes preset and should not require any adjustment. When you receive your S300, you'll also receive an accessory pack. This includes the mounting clamp and the safety redundancy cable. Be sure to test your S300 with a grounded outlet before installation. The SignCast S300 is designed to be suspended from a pipe or beam. Installation is not difficult, but should only be performed by qualified persons. Once a suitable mounting location is determined, suspend the S300 using the mounting clamp. Tighten the bolt on the mounting clamp until the S300 is secure and doesn't move easily. Next, install the safety redundancy in case the primary mount fails. Simply loop the attached cable around the yoke and then clip it to itself. There is no power switch, so the S300 will be on as long as it is plugged in. While supporting the lens, loosen the beam focus knob and slide the lens tube until the projected image is in focus. Finally, loosen the yoke locking knobs to make any additional adjustments to the projection location. The most common reason for a dark screen is that the S300 has gone into rest mode. Toggle through the settings using either of these 2 buttons until the S300 is in AC mode. If this does not resolve the issue, plug the S300 into a known working outlet. If the unit is still dark, it's possible that the LED has burnt out. To check the bulb, unplug the unit and rest it on a stable work surface. Completely remove both sides of the beam focus knob and carefully remove the lens tube. It is now possible to see the LED bulb. If your bulb is blackened or shows any discoloration, then it is time to replace the bulb. Contact us for further instructions. As always, more information is available at creativesafetysupply.com. Thanks for watching.